Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, Food and Health, class 5. Okay, try to understand all the terms, all the things which is given in these topics. Here I want to share one thing. Health is essential for human being. You know this thing. Wealth is gone, nothing is gone. Wealth is lost, nothing is lost. Health is lost, something is lost, and character is lost, all thing is lost. Okay, now try to understand food and healthy. What type of food should we take so that we will be healthy? Okay, nutrients. First thing is nutrients. Nutrients are the substance present in the food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. What is nutrients? Nutrients are substance present in food. What are nutrients? Nutrients are substance present in food. Okay. Now healthy eating pyramid. Here I have given to draw healthy eating pyramid. You know this thing. This is simple thing. Now balanced diet. You are seeing carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, nutrients in a balanced diet. Health. What is health? A state of complete physical and mental well-being. Both things, physical and mental. A state of complete. This is what thing? This is health. For maintaining good health, our body needs balanced diet, regular exercise, proper rest, good personal hygiene, clean and hygienic surrounding. If you will always such type of condition, certainly you will be a good citizen of the India. Diseases. Now next thing, diseases. A disease is any defect or abnormality found in the body. A disease is any defect or abnormality found in the body. Disease may be caused due to malfunctioning of some body part or due to lack of particular vitamins or minerals in the body. Diseases are classified into two main categories: non-communicable, communicable. It means in first case disease will not spread, while incommunicable it will spread. Okay. Now non-communicable disease. Due to lack of protein carbohydrate deficiency disease. What is this? Protein carbohydrate deficiency disease. In case of protein and carbohydrate symptoms, what are the symptoms? So that you can know that that person is not taking protein and carbohydrates. What things? What are the symptoms? Improper growth of the body, loose skin and sunken eyes, thin and light hair, person is inactive and gets tired easily. Okay, it means they are not taking proper protein and carbohydrates properly. Now next thing, mineral deficiency disease. Iron anemia. A person looking weak and pale, gets tired very easily, is prone to different infections. Calcium phosphorus. Weak teeth lose their shine and whiteness, weak soft and fragile bones. Iodine goiter. A person swelling in the neck region, retarded growth, mental disorder. Hemoglobin is a pigment found in blood which transport oxygen and provide red color to blood. Which provide red color to blood? Hemoglobin. Okay. Vitamins deficiency disease symptoms. If you are not taking proper amount of A, then you will suffer some certain disease, and that disease is night blindness. And what are the symptoms? Unable to see in dim light. You are not able to see in dim light. Dullness in eyes, dry and scaly skin. Skin will change. Vitamin B very deficiency disease. Very extreme weakness symptoms. Extreme weakness, paralysis of body parts. Vitamin C, scurvy, swollen and bleeding gums, loose teeth, pain in joints. Vitamins D rickets, soft and weak bones for safe legs. Do you know, in 1910, an American scientist found that the outer layer of a rice kernel contains a substance called thiamine. This is needed by the body to prevent a disease called beriberi. The substance, also called vitamin B, was the first vitamin to be discovered. Okay. Here, what things given? This question may be asked in different type of competitive examination. Okay. Try to understand. Beriberi, vitamin B. Due to lack of vitamin B, a person may suffer from beriberi. Okay. Prevention of deficiency disease. How do you prevent? What will you do? One should take a balanced diet containing all types of nutrients. One must follow good food practices and habits. Children must be given adequate amount of milk products and additional food items like juices, soft boiled rice, porridge, etc. Malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a term used for a condition caused for improper or inadequate nourishment. It often results in one or more of the deficiency disease. Communicable. First time you have a study. What thing? Non-communicable disease. Now communicable disease. It means it will spread. Communicable disease. The disease which generally get transmitted from one person to another are called communicable disease. Nose or mouth, food and water taken. Ways by which communicable disease spread? By insects. Disease like malaria, dengue, by mosquito. Plague spread by fleas. By air, water and soil. Air, water and soil are non-living agents which can transmit disease. Prevention of communicable disease. How do you prevent this disease? How do you stop this disease? All the articles and clothes of infected persons should be disinfected. A person which is suffering from such type of disease, you should not use anything which is used by that person. Okay. One must always cover the nose or mouth while sneezing or coughing. The surrounding must be kept clean and hygienic. Water must not be allowed to stagnate around the homes. A stagnate collecting. Nearby place you should not collect water. Okay. Neighborhood you should not collect water. That will be a stagnant water. After some time, after some days, that will be a stagnant water. And it is the breeding place of mosquitoes. Okay, what is this? This is the breeding place of mosquitoes. It is important to keep on changing the water in room coolers, flower pots and other containers after 3-4 days. It is, if not changed, such water can become the breeding place of dengue mosquito. Dengue mosquitoes, who know this thing? Vaccination must be done to prevent many diseases like measles, polio and chicken pox. In case of such type of disease, what will you do? You will take vaccination. Okay, vaccination. What will you do? You have to take injection. Okay, that's all in this chapter. Now question answer time also. You should revise question answer because your examination is so near. I am knowing this thing. I have to prepare question also. You know this thing. I hope you will do good in your exam because your examination is near. Question answer is also present. Chapter 5. Okay, class 5, chapter 5, previous food and health. This chapter I have taught you this time. Okay, try to write. Anyone who has not written, they have to pause the video and they are able to write. In case of any problem, you may contact directly. Okay, don't misguide. You have to read several times, then you are able to get good marks in the examination. I hope you will do better in the examination. Okay, thanks.